What's everyone? So I forgot to make an intro for today's video, but basically in today's video I ended up going back to Kincaid Lake a couple times. The first time that I went back out there was when the Hero 8 incident happened and where I lost the Hero 8, and if you guys haven't checked out the video where I kind of explained everything, feel free to check that video out. It was the last video that I made, so I'm going to be leaving a link to that in the description. But today's session was a lot better and didn't have any issues with any cameras, and definitely made sure to be more careful. So throughout this video I didn't get too many outside point of view clips, but before I get into the main part of the video, I'm going to be showing you guys a couple of clips I got on State Park like last month, like at the very end of April. Originally I was gonna make this kind of swimming video here, but it's clearly like not deep enough today, so maybe it will like rain over the weekend and maybe come back next week, but we'll see what happens. It's tunnel though. So I hope you enjoyed some of those clips. So now I'm going to be showing the footage of me going to Kincaid Lake, and without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so it's like a couple of hours later, so I ended up making kind of like a last minute decision to go back to Kincaid Lake and like maybe do some cliff jumping. I don't know how much I'm going to be doing here and how crazy stuff I'm going to be doing today, since it has been like 8 months since I did like a pretty big cliff jump. I'm walking there now. One major difference like walking there is they don't have like all the cornfields anymore. They chopped all of it down. If you guys haven't checked out any of my past videos where I came here, you have to like walk like a mile and a half to get to the place, so I'm gonna get some footage of that. thought about us in the rain, so. It's literally raining. I did in the rain. It's legit raining right now. Like even harder than it was earlier. And I got like a mile and a half back in this, so. I'm just gonna do some rain sends, but I'm not gonna do any high jumps. I think this is probably gonna be the last one I'm gonna do because I'm starting to get a little bit tired and I probably should get going because I don't know if it's gonna storm or not. Back. I'm probably not anywhere near close because I've been like going pretty slow. There's like a 50% chance I might go back there if it stops storming. Just listen to this pile of water right now. This just ended up being like an insane like turn of events and not what I was expecting, but sometimes like most unexpected like turn of events in like days end up making like the most memories. So first I didn't think I was gonna be coming here. I thought I was gonna be like doing like Castlewood and then like go to Sherman Beach, but kind of decided at the last minute since I thought it was gonna be nice and sunny for the whole day that I was gonna try to come out here, and then start storming and then got some rain cliff jumps. But I'm walking back now. It's like 6:30-ish.
1 hour later.
I also ended up getting some tank tops that I'm probably gonna be wearing over the summer. I ended up getting like another pair of like sweatpants and another hat, so I'm gonna be showing you guys that. So this is basically the 4 tank tops I ended up getting, and like the sweatpants and the hat right here. jump I'm going to be doing today. Okay, so it's a little after 11. It's like close to 11:30. So I ended up stopping at a rest area. This is probably all I'm going to be doing for today's video, so I hope you enjoyed everything that I did today at Kincaid Lake. For today's video, I didn't really do too many like outside point of view clips because of the fact that I've kind of been worried about like setting my phone down on rocks, kind of how I ended up losing my Hero 8 because I ended up like setting on a rock that wasn't like stable enough and ended up like bouncing into the water. So I haven't really been wanting to get too many outside point of view clips, but there was a couple times where people were willing to record, so those were the only outside point of view clips. But I hope you enjoyed like all the point of view clips I got today, and hope you enjoy like all the clips I got last week. I did also go back to Johnson Shut-ins and do cliff jumping there, and there's a lot more outside point of view clips at Johnson Shut-ins, even though that was kind of like more of a smaller cliff jump that I did in that video. Stay tuned for that because that's gonna be the next video that I have out. So I hope you enjoyed today's video though. Subscribe and keep my post notifications on to see what I do next, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace out.